If you want to create the two-dimensional array, means rank 2 array we want to create. So how we can create two-dimensional array, means rank 2 array we want to create. Okay, so we have the ARR here. Now what I'm going to do, I want to create the rank 2 array. Okay, so rank 2 array we are going to create. So in first row we have that is 1 2 3. Okay, now in the next have that is next row we are going to create, that is in the next row we have 4 comma 5 comma 6 here. Okay, so rank 2 we are going to create. So this is in the first row, this will be in the second row. Okay, now what I'm doing, print this data. Okay, so let me print this data. So np dot array we have created. So if we are creating a two-dimensional array, so we have to use this bracket. Okay, here, and this is my first row, this is my second row, so we have to add this one. Okay, yes, now it is okay. So this is my first row, this is my second row data. Okay, so if you want to create the rank 2 array, so in rank 2 array means that is two-dimensional array we are going to create, so we have to use these concepts. Okay, similarly, if we want to access the data index number wise, so we can access that data. How we can access that data in the index number wise? Okay, so suppose I am having a array that is ARR. Okay, now let me print this ARR and I want to access the index number wise. Suppose ARR of 0 comma 0 I want to access. Suppose ARR, suppose I want to access that is 1 comma 0. Okay, so index number wise data we can also access. Okay, so 1 and 0 it is written. Okay, so this data can be accessed. Okay, suppose I want to access that is suppose 0 comma 1. Okay, so this is also possible by using a array. Okay, so we can access this data.